everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to be making for you a Christmas cherry smoothie bowl. Cherries are in season at Christmas, and as we all know, we love having them, so I thought this was a really good recipe to show you, to share with your family or friends. So I'll take my lid off. I'm using the Vitamix A3500 today. Super helpful. It's got all my pre-programmed settings on the front, which makes it really easy. So I'm going to start with about 250 grams of frozen cherries. These are so good for you. They're full of so many lovely vitamins and minerals. They can also help reduce inflammation, improve your sleep, and even improve your heart health. So they're really wonderful fruits to put in your diet. Next, I've got my banana, which I put this in pretty much all of my recipes because they're such lovely complex carbohydrates. Going to give you energy, and it creams everything up, so it's perfect for smoothie bowls, smoothies, everything. Next, I've got kiwi fruit. So this is just going to add a little bit of zing to our smoothie. Lastly, I'm going to put in some coconut milk to cream it up. How good does that look? And that is it. We're ready. So I'm going to lock my lid into place. So the clips here, you just want to put it over this ridge. So that's the safety feature. So it locks it in place and you can't take it off while you're blending. So now I'm going to hit my smoothie setting, my pre-programmed function. So that's going to go for 50 seconds. I'm going to wash up and then we'll come back and it'll be done. Away we go. Awesome. So I ended up adding about half a cup of ice in. That's the beauty of this lid cap. You can add things in while it's blending, so you never make a mistake. So let's take this off. Oh my gosh, see? That's perfect now. It's not quite as runny as a smoothie, but it's not thick as an ice cream. Oh, far out, that looks so good. Yum. Yum. That is beautiful. That is so fresh. All those lovely flavors I like to eat on Christmas, all in one. I'm going to garnish this now. Merry Christmas and happy blending. Merry Christmas.